Hello Shakil. How are you?
I am fine. What's up to you?
I am also fine. What are you thinking now?
I remember the incident about how I enjoyed the summer holidays.
Would you please describe it?
Yes, why not? I went to my village home at Barishal. My heart leaped with joy when I met some known faces waiting for me.
Were they very happy to find you among them?
Certainly. They were very happy to find me among them. They welcomed me heartily. I was also pleased with their rustic simplicity.
What did you do there?
During my long stay there, I did a lot of things which gave me much pleasure and joy. The most interesting thing is that the village was free from urban noise.
Didn't you go to the river?
Certainly. One day my cousin along with his friends set a program of boat riding in the river of Meghna. We enjoyed the boat riding greatly.
I see you enjoyed much. Did you make friendship with them?
Yes. I made friendship with some of my cousin's friends. I visited their homes off and on and enjoyed their hospitality.
Oh, what a splendid summer vacation it was. Had I been with you?
I also visited a village fair in the neighboring village. That was a very crowded but enjoyable fair too. It would really be nice if you were with me.
Really, I feel thrilled. Thanks for your nice description.
Most welcome to you.
Okay, bye. See you later.